Hannes Smarsen here. I want to talk to you briefly about the important decision that just came down by the Supreme Court of the U.S. in relation to Myriad Genetics and their patent on the BRCA gene. This to me is a groundbreaking decision that has widespread implications for the industry as a whole. Essentially what the decision said is that you can no longer patent DNA in its natural state, and the conclusion and the response was very swift by the industry. Within 24 hours from that particular decision, about 10 companies had launched competing tests with Myriad's BRCA test, and of course many of them proposing to be able to do that test for a vastly lower sum than Myriad. And to me that means that this field completely opens up, and it will allow companies to go forward with offering genetic tests unencumbered by intellectual property that may be in place, and in my view really pave the way for a much more complete picture of how to do genetic testing. In fact, move it from individual genetic testing over to what you might call sequence-based genetic analysis, meaning that you are much better off sequencing the genome of an individual and then mining that sequence for any of the genetic causes of disease that you're interested in, as opposed to undertaking targeted genetic testing on a case-by-case basis. So for me, this is a groundbreaking decision by the Supreme Court with transformational implications for the industry as a whole.